Namaste, I am Aadetee. Welcome to Guided Meditation and more. Today, I am sharing a 2-minute meditation technique with you. It is a way to reach inner state of silence. It is very good for our body and mind that we go into a state of inner silence or meditative state every 2-3 hours for just 2-3 minutes. It balances our sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system and relaxes the body and mind. By doing so, you can work more efficiently under stressful environment. It helps us to have more control over our mind. Let's start. Sit comfortably. If sitting is not possible, stand comfortably. Close your eyes. Take one deep breath and relax all muscles and joints. If you can do it easily, do it. People who have some experience can do so, but do not struggle. With your awareness, quickly and systematically relax your whole body. Relax your forehead. Create some space between your jaws. We tend to restore most of our stress around the jaws. So when you create some space, it relaxes. Feel the touch of air in your nostrils. Breathe slowly, gently and effortlessly. Let there be no sound, jerks or pauses in your breathing. See every passing breath. Count 1 when you inhale and 2 when you exhale. Do the counting mentally, being aware of every inhale and exhale. You can use this mantra SoHum, meaning I am. So, with every inhale, you will say so, and with every exhale, you will say hum. So, it will come like so hum, so hum. So when you inhale, so hum. When you exhale, do this for a minute or so. Now observe how the breath, mind, and the thoughts are flowing as a stream. The entire mind becomes an even flowing stream. Without breaking this ever flowing stream and activity, open your eyes. Resolve in your mind that you will calm the mind in this way many times in the day. Whatever we do with the mind repeatedly becomes the mind's habit. At present, disturbance is the mind's habit. With practice, later calmness and peace will become the mind's nature. Thoughts may arise during the meditation. Be gentle. Be gentle to yourself and bring your awareness back to your object of concentration while meditating. You can do this 2-minute meditation at home, office, at a break time, sitting in a taxi, waiting for a bus or during a television commercial. Be creative. It is just 2 minutes. And always remember, you are power in your world. And you are awesome.